Hi folks, Ben Alexander here. I've been in the solar business for about 10 years. And in this video, I'd like to talk about the ROI on your solar, the return on investment. So first of all, you have to look at how expensive is electric in your area. Here in Florida, it's 15 cents a kilowatt. In Massachusetts, it's 30 cents a kilowatt. In parts of Hawaii, it's over 54 cents a kilowatt. So the more expensive your electric is, the faster you're going to get back every dollar that you spend on solar. Now, it just so happens that areas like Massachusetts and Hawaii have higher labor rates. So a 10 kW system that's 20 grand here in Tampa, it will be more expensive in Massachusetts. So you have to look at the price per kilowatt. You have to look at the price of the system. Now, I am going to put a video at the end of this that tells you who's the best solar installer in your area to choose and how you find them. I'm going to put that up here, like right here. But you got to keep in mind those two things. How expensive is electric? How expensive is the solar? Now, a good solar company should be able to give you a proposal that says this 10 kW system is going to offset, for instance, $240. You can then look at the price and just divide. There's also the factor of your roof. It's more expensive to put solar on a barrel tile roof versus a shingle roof or just a regular metal roof. It's more expensive to put solar on a flat TPO roof versus shingle. Shingle and metal are the cheapest roofs to put solar on. The other factor, and this is something that no one really talks about, is what about plugging an electric car into your house? So if you do a large solar array and you drive a lot and you switch to an electric car that's powered by your solar, you also have that ROI in terms of, did you save money in gas? I know for me, I got solar in 2018 and I used to spend $300 a month on gasoline, and once I had 2 electric cars, I was no longer spending that money. So it wasn't just $300 a month off my electric bill. I was now saving $300 a month in terms of fuel for my 2 vehicles. So that's another factor in the ROI. Personally, I think if you can get a good deal on solar anywhere in the country and you also charge your electric car at home, you're going to get a much closer to, say, a 4 or 5 year ROI. Now, if you live in an area where the electric is more expensive and you get a good deal on the solar will pay for itself even faster. So I hope that answers your questions about ROI. You got to look at the price of electric, the price of the solar, your type of roof, and whether you're plugging an electric car in there. I'm going to put a link right here as to how to choose the best supplier. Have a blessed day.